Affirmations are more than just words. They're the seeds of change planted in the fertile soil of our minds. They hold the power to transform doubts into determination, fears into fuel, and setbacks into stepping stones. Through this series, we will delve into the profound impact of affirmations, providing you with actionable advice to navigate your own path to success. As we start, I invite you to open your hearts and minds, for the knowledge we share today has the potential to reshape your reality. Let us forge ahead, armed with the understanding that affirmations can be the motivation for remarkable transformations. Join me as we uncover the secrets of overcoming obstacles with the extraordinary power of positive affirmations. As we set our sights on the power of positive affirmations, it's crucial to understand the landscape we're navigating. In order to conquer obstacles, we must first recognize them. This begins with self-awareness. Self-awareness is like a compass in the journey of personal growth. It's the ability to look within, to understand our strengths and weaknesses. When we acknowledge our obstacles, we gain the clarity needed to chart a course towards triumph. Imagine a ship sailing through rough waters without a map. It's tossed and turned by the waves, aimlessly drifting. Without self-awareness, our journey through life can mirror this chaotic voyage. But with it, we become the captains of our own ships, steering with purpose towards our desired destinations. I encourage each of you to take a moment to reflect on your own journey. What are the challenges that stand before you? Is it self-doubt? Is it a fear of the unknown? Perhaps it's a mountain of responsibilities that seem insurmountable. In this moment, embrace them, not as barriers, but as opportunities for growth and transformation. As you identify your obstacles, you take the first step towards conquering them. Remember, every great explorer, every visionary, faced their own set of challenges. They didn't shy away, they met them head-on. And so can you. As we continue, keep in mind that self-awareness is not a one-time event. It's a continual process, a lifelong commitment to understanding and evolving. With each step, you'll gain greater clarity, and with each affirmation, you'll build the foundation for future. Identify your obstacles, for they are the stepping stones to your success. With self-awareness as our guiding star, there's no limit to what we can achieve. Number 1, the role of mindset. With our obstacles identified, we now stand at a crossroads. It's here that we must embrace a powerful ally on our journey. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world. It shapes your beliefs, influences your decisions, and ultimately determines your actions. A positive mindset is not merely wishful thinking. It's a deliberate choice to approach challenges with determination. Research has shown time and again that individuals with a positive outlook are more adept at problem solving. They approach obstacles not as insurmountable barriers, but as puzzles waiting to be solved. This shift in perspective is the key that unlocks a world of possibilities. If you believe in your ability to conquer a challenge, you're already halfway there. Your mind becomes a powerhouse of creativity and innovation, seeking out solutions where others may see only roadblocks. As we navigate through life, it's important to remember that challenges are not meant to break us, but to shape us into stronger, more resilient individuals. With the right mindset, we have the power to transform adversity into opportunity. So, I urge each of you to cultivate a positive mindset. It's a gift you give to yourself, a hope of light in darkest times. When faced with obstacle, ask yourself, how can I overcome this? Believe that within you lies the capacity to find a way. With every affirmation, we are creating a solid foundation for the challenges that lie ahead. Remember, it's not about avoiding obstacles, but about facing them with a mindset that turns adversity into triumph. Number 2, turning fear into fuel. Fear is the opponent, capable of paralyzing even the most determined souls. But fear is not a barrier. It is a challenge waiting to be transformed into motivation. Fear comes in many ways. It might manifest as self-doubt, fear of failure, or even fear of the unknown. These doubts can whisper in our minds, urging us to stay within our comfort zones. But remember this, every great achievement was once deemed impossible. Every innovation initially met with skepticism. It's crucial to recognize these fears, to acknowledge their presence. For in doing so, we strip them of their power. We declare that they will not dictate the course of our journey. Affirmations are the antidote to fear. They are the powerful that rewire our minds, replacing doubt with determination. When faced with fear, repeat to yourself, I am capable of facing any challenge before me. I embrace the unknown, for it is the birthplace of growth. These affirmations are the battle cries of champions. They serve as a constant reminder that fears is not our master, but our catalyst for transformation. In the face of fear, remember this: it's okay to be afraid. It's a natural human response. But what sets us apart is our ability to transcend that fear, to harness it and channel it towards our goals. As we move forward on this journey, let us carry with us the knowledge that fear is not our enemy, it is our greatest motivator. With affirmations as our shield and courage as our sword, we charge forward, ready to conquer any obstacle that dares stand in our way. Number 3, persistence and resilience. Don't give up on your dreams, no matter how hard things get. Persistence is the key to success. Remember, even the mighty oak tree started out as a tiny acorn. Obstacles may test us, but it is through persistence we make a path towards victory. It's the steady drip of water that eventually shapes the mightiest canyon. Every small step can lead to the greatest achievements. In the face of persistence, affirm to yourself, I am steadfast in the face of challenges. Every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. These affirmations are the heartbeat of determination. They remind us that giving up is not an option. Each obstacle met with persistence adds richness and depth to our narrative. It is through adversity that we discover the true extent of our capabilities. So, let us carry the torch of persistence. Let it illuminate our way, and lighting up even the darkest corners. With affirmations as our guide, we can move forward with unshakable confidence, knowing that every step brings us closer to victory. Number 4, overcoming failure. Every success story lies setbacks and failures. It is in these moments of defeat that we find the seeds of our future. Consider the tale of Thomas Edison, whose relentless pursuit of the light bulb led him through thousands of failed attempts. Each failure was a lesson, a discovery of what didn't work, bringing him one step closer to the breakthrough that illuminated the world. His story is a reminder that failure is not the end, but simply a learning experience on the path to success. In the face of failure, affirm to yourself, I am not defined by my failures, but by my determination to rise. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. I use failures as stepping stones to success. These affirmations are the balm for the wounds of disappointment. They remind us that failure is not an indication of our worth, but an opportunity to grow. So, let us wear our failures as badges of honor, for they are proof of our audacity to dream and our courage to pursue those dreams. With affirmations as our shield, we march forward, knowing that each setback brings us closer to our ultimate success. Number 5, affirmations for personal growth. Personal growth is our compass, guiding us towards our fullest potential. It is the continuous process of becoming a better version of ourselves. Affirmations for personal growth are the seeds we plant within ourselves, nurturing them with intention and care. They serve as reminders of our inherent capacity for progress and transformation. Repeat to yourself, I am committed to my personal growth and development. With each day, I become a better version of myself. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. These affirmations are the whispers of encouragement that echo in the chambers of our hearts. They remind us that growth is not an option, but an inherent part of our journey. Embrace that obstacles are not roadblocks, but they challenge us to rise higher, to reach deeper, and to become more than we ever thought. So let us carry with us the torch of personal growth, illuminating the path ahead. Number 6, affirmations for financial success. Financial prosperity is an essential element. It grants us the freedom to pursue our passions, support our loved ones, and make a meaningful impact on the world. It's important to understand that affirmations for financial success are not about seeking wealth for its own sake, but about recognizing the value of financial stability in achieving our broader goals. Affirm to yourself, I am capable of creating wealth and abundance in my life. My financial success aligns with my values and purpose. I attract opportunities for prosperity and abundance. These affirmations are the declarations of our intent to create a life of financial empowerment. They remind us that financial success is not a distant dream, but close enough to touch. Remember, financial success is not an elusive concept, but a goal that can be achieved with intention and dedication. Number 7, affirmations for academic success. Education is the cornerstone of personal and professional growth. It equips us with knowledge and skills that is needed to navigate the world and contribute meaningfully to society. Affirmations for academic success are not a magic spell, but a means to align our mindset and actions with our educational goals. They serve as a reminder of our potential and our capacity to excel in our studies. Repeat to yourself, I am a capable and dedicated learner, absorbing knowledge effortlessly. My mind is focused and ready to tackle any academic challenge. These affirmations are like a hope, which guides us towards a path of academic excellence. They reinforce our belief in our own capabilities and set the stage for achievement. Remember, academic success is not solely about grades, but about the depth of understanding and the passion for learning that we cultivate. Throughout this series, we've witnessed the remarkable potential that resides within each of us. We've uncovered the tools to transform doubt into determination, fear into fuel, and setbacks into stepping stones. With affirmations as our guiding light, we've harnessed the power to conquer obstacles. But our journey does not end here. It merely transforms into a new phase where you, my fellow adventurers, take the reins. I challenge each of you to integrate affirmations into your daily lives, especially in moments of adversity. When faced with a challenge, remember the affirmations we've explored together. Let them be the compass that guides you through the storm. Believe in yourself. Believe in your capacity to overcome. Believe that within you lies the power to turn obstacles into opportunities. The power of positive affirmations is not confined to this moment. It is a lifelong companion on your journey towards greatness. So go forth, armed with the knowledge that you are capable, resilient, and destined for remarkable achievements. Embrace every challenge as a chance to rise, knowing that with each step, you are one step closer to your dreams. Thank you, and stay blessed.